What if one small moment could change a life forever? One tiny kitten, lost, hungry, and alone, was about to find a family. This is Bella's story. It was just a normal day until I heard something outside my house. A very soft, weak sound. Meow. I went closer, and there she was. A tiny kitten. So small. So scared. So scared. She wasn't playing. She wasn't exploring. She was searching for food, for help, for someone. Her eyes looked tired. Her body looked weak. She hadn't eaten properly. She didn't even have the energy to run away. She just looked at me, as if she was asking, "Will you help me?" I couldn't ignore her. I brought some food and placed it gently near her. At first, she was scared. But hunger is stronger than fear. Slowly, she came closer and started eating. That moment, I knew. She wasn't just a random kitten anymore. Day by day, she kept coming back. At first for food, then for comfort, then for me. She started trusting me, following me, even waiting for me. That tiny lost kitten was slowly becoming family. And then she got her name, Bella, because she wasn't just cute. She was beautiful, strong, brave, and full of life. The weak, hungry kitten was changing. She started playing, running, jumping around. Her eyes weren't sad anymore. They were shining. This was her second life. Time passed, and one day, something amazing happened. Bella became a mother. The same kitten who once had nothing now had babies, who had everything: love, care, a safe home. She protects them, feeds them, plays with them, just like I once helped her. She now takes care of her little family, a full circle of love. Sometimes all it takes is one small act of kindness to change a life forever. Bella wasn't just saved, she became a reason for happiness. If this story touched your heart, like, share, subscribe, because there are many more stories waiting to be told.